Let us now have a brief summary of the play The Road, written by Vol Soinka. The Road is about a group of drivers and their associates in a poor neighborhood in a Nigerian city. Most of the play's action occurs inside a small automotive repair and parts business, the accident store. Its proprietor, the professor, also has a business forging licenses which some of the characters are determined to acquire. The characters refer to a considerable amount of action of stage in the city that surrounds the store. These events include car accidents, business dealings, and especially a political rally and a religious festival. The latter is devoted to Ogun, a traditional deity. As the play opens, Samson, a driver's aide, and Selubi, a young unlicensed driver, converse inside the store about the merits of their jobs. Samson works for Cotonou, the driver of an informal bus adapted from a truck, while Selubi does private jobs and only takes single passengers. Professor and Cotonou soon join the conversation. Professor is disoriented and does not recognize Samson, while Cotonou has been working with Professor since he stopped driving after a serious accident. Selubi is trying to acquire Cotonou's license. Professor's dialogue makes him seem far more like a religious fanatic than a businessman, as he apparently believes he can provide consolation to the souls of the dead. He leaves with Cotonou to visit a crash scene. Near the shop is a church where Professor had formerly preached, although he is not a minister. As they listen to the organ music, Samson tells Selubi why Professor left after a disagreement with the bishop, which resulted in a church wall falling down. When Cotonou returns from the crash scene, Samson makes him confess to helping Professor steal parts from the wrecked vehicles which they sell in the shop. Numerous unemployed drives and aides hang out at accident store, where Professor also dispenses palm wine. Say Tokyo Kid has organized these layabouts into a gang that is hired to provide security or incite violence at political rallies. The local politician, chief in town, stops by to hire the gang, and the local policeman, Particulars Joe, comes to collect his bribes. Three men come in looking for specific car parts. When Professor arrives, Samson and Selubi approach him about counterfeiting a doctored license from Cotonou's since he has stopped driving. Professor becomes infuriated over Selubi's sacrilegious phrasing and throws them out. He later changes his mind and agrees to the forgery. Later that day, as the rally and Ogun festival gets underway, Cotonou resumes driving and runs into a masked dancer, say Tokyo's gang members, who are very drunk, incite violent incidents as the chief's hired thugs. Cotonou is recruited to take the dancer's place, while Say Tokyo threatens him. It is the professor whom he stabs and kills. Kotonu, still masked as the deity, stabs Seitokyo. Thank you.